Today, I'm here with Daryl. Daryl, thanks for coming out.
Yes, sir.
And sharing your tech with us. We got something exciting today, guys. We got something different. This is old school. This is old school. Let's go down here. Let's pop this case open, right? Let's see what's going on here. Right, some old school stuff. Now, you're probably thinking this is new tech, but the Inspire was... When was the Inspire released? Right, so old but new, right? Oh, boy, look at what we got here. Luscious. You need some Inspire in your life. Oh boy, this is some equipment. So this
All
is the
Inspire.
drone. What's in here?
This is the lens.
Lenses. Crack the lenses open.
Crack the
Let's see
lenses.
what's
or
in
this
there.
might be the camera.
Or the camera. Let's crack it
Possibility.
open.
These are the lenses.
How do you open this? I'll take the lenses. You can open this.
Camera. Okay.
Wow, camera. So the camera's got its own case. The lenses got its own case, and we got a wide variety here. We got a Super 35, 16. Everything is Super
24
35, right?
And 50. Yeah.
16,
24,
24,
35,
35,
50.
50.
Right. Four
So
lenses.
the tightest lens is the 50, and
50.
the widest is?
The 16.
All right, so this is pretty. I mean, this is some nasty stuff, man.
That's the
I don't know. They
cendence.
say old tech, but this doesn't look old to me.
Not at all.
This looks like it came
DJI.
straight out of a spaceship. What do you call this?
Cendence.
I mean, look at ports going on over here. You just got
Yeah.
some ports in your life.
Or some,
you
or
got
some
a screen.
controller.
This controller is so light. Oh my gosh, it carries its own batteries.
Matter of fact, let
Damn.
me pop one in right now.
All right, so we can pop a battery in there. There you go. Pop it
Pop
right
one
in.
in.
Beautiful. There you
Bingo,
go. That's
bango.
it. It's ready to go. What's this hanging? This piece here?
This is for the antenna.
Okay, this
power
has to
cable.
plug in somewhere.
Plugs in right here.
And what goes here? How do we see?
This is the Crystal Sky.
So you got the Crystal
Crystal
Sky.
Sky
Let's set it
monitor
up.
gets attached to that.
Wow, this is nice. This feels like, man. Oh
Case
man.
for this.
This just feels so perfect.
Crystal
So
Sky also
perfect.
takes a battery.
Now, you might be saying to yourself, oh, why does the Crystal Sky need a battery? Why can't you have like an all-in-one solution? Well, because when you're filming it on the set all day, you need separate batteries for everything. Otherwise, you got to keep everything pumped up and going. So this is kind of like, you know, everybody's got their own individual thing,
Yes.
which is nice. I like this. So this just goes in
Push down.
and locks.
Locks. Right.
There you go. Now we're good to fly. Oh my gosh.
Not yet.
This is hot.
Not quite.
Not quite. All right, what do we do next?
We have to get
Let's
the
put
Inspire
this
out.
aside.
Right. We have to get the Inspire out.
All right, so let's crack this bad boy out. She's
Connect,
out.
Connect the lens and connect the.
Don't we bring the legs down first? Put the battery and bring the legs down.
That would be very helpful.
So let's lock the batteries in.
Lock the batteries in. One goes on one side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 presses.
6.
Right. Or this is a cap that goes on top of the.
Now we just got to pop a lens on. Be careful, don't let any light.
Now, do you
in
want
that
to put a
sensor.
16, 24?
Widest you got.
Okay.
That would be 16, right?
That would be the 16 right here.
These props click on nice and easy. You just put it on, you press the sides, you twist to lock. Beautiful. Twist lock system, baby.
Okay.
All right, that's
lens
like
is
a
on?
ratchet lock. I'm
Yes.
surprised. Not like most DSLRs that click.
Not at all.
It's like a ratchet. That's
Right, you hear it
different.
go click, 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 click.
Yeah,
I'll take the other
there
prop.
you go. It's got a click as well. I like how the props just click in. There you go. That's it. That wasn't bad. That's a
Not at all.
pretty simple setup, right?
Pretty simple setup.
Let's get this baby up in the air.
Get it up and see what it can do.
So, Daryl, buddy,
Yes.
can I fly it?
Sure, why not?
Let's get it,
Why
baby. All right, so you got to tell me, how do you raise the legs up, or does it happen automatically?
It's going to happen as soon as you ascend. It's
Oh,
going to automatically
automatic.
go up.
Legs go up automatic.
Legs go up
In the
automatically. In the air.
All right, let's do
Right.
this. Okay,
Legs go up in the air automatic.
automatic. This here's loose. Let's tighten that up.
Yes.
All right, sticks down and in.
Mm-hmm.
We're going up.
Yes, sir.
Oh, she does go up, boy. She holding nice and steady, boy. Old tech, call it whatever
Yes.
you want. I need this in my life. Inspire me, baby.
Inspire. Inspire with the Inspire. Yes.
And you got the wide lens on.
That's a 16, yeah.
Let's
16
take
mil.
it for a spin. Alright, that's hot swap. We're gonna try a different lens because, you know, this is what you get this stuff for, right? I'm ready to film a movie, man. Like, bring it on. Autofocus. Beautiful. Now this is what I call cinematic. This is what I call making a movie. Like, it just pulls in the whole background. This is what I call Hollywood, baby. This is Hollywood lifestyle right here. I need this in my life. Mavic 3, you better come good. You better come real good. Real good. Oh yeah, because look at this, man. Come on. This is how you frame up a movie right here. You could even go up on the height of... Oh, man. Luscious. Love it. That thing sounds like a beast. Now, quick questions before I go. Okay. Why this whole setup? Why did you go all out? You got everything, buddy. Why?
I'm coming from a photography background, and I love that look, you know. And then transitioning from photography into video was a charm. It's all about the image and what it does. So that's why I went with the Inspire too.
Awesome. Well,
it gives me what I want.
Thank you for bringing your tech out here. You certainly
no
got
problem.
what you want.
Yes.
I got to get what I want too. You know what I'm saying?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
But
yes,
thanks
sir.
for sharing
Absolutely.
today. Thanks for sharing, Darryl.
Not
I'll
a
give
problem.
you your drone back before I hijack it.
Not a problem.
With that being said, guys, make sure you give this video a huge like if you enjoyed the content today. Make sure you hit subscribe and hit the bell to get notified when I release more videos like this. With that being said, I will catch you guys whenever I can. Make sure you become a Patreon, guys. Big benefits to Patreon. Get direct access to me. Any questions? I'm right here on Patreon. Support this channel and there's benefits. Last Mini 2 went all the way to the UK.